Place your breast pumps into the charging case, aligning the magnetic pins with the charging ports inside. You should hear a click from the magnetic connection and see an indicator light begin to flash. If not, adjust the pumps to properly align the pins. When the light stops flashing and stays on, your pumps are fully charged. The pump hub can also be charged separately when needed. You can check the battery level of the charging case by short pressing the button on the outside back of the case and recharging it using the provided USB-C cable. You can also charge the pumps with the magnet charging cables we provided. If storing only the pump hub, we recommend using the storage area on top to prevent damage from collisions and friction within the case. The charging case cannot be washed, but can be wiped clean.